What's up guys, I hope you're doing well. Obviously this is a very different video this week than what we normally do. I promise, probably it's going to be Friday's episode or maybe on Sunday we will get back to working on the Mustang, aka the Iron 6. But here in central Pennsylvania it's been really hot the last several days. We've had 100-degree temps, and so I haven't been able to get into the garage to work on the car. And with my free time, I decided I wanted to design a new t-shirt for the shop that I have on Teespring for the channel. And I'm a huge fan of Big Daddy Roth. So I figured let's do something a little different, and I'll try to come up with some kind of a design that's similar to his art style, and it's easy enough for me to record it off the computer. And I'll throw it up here and you guys can check out the process. If you want to watch it, check it out. You can always tune back in on Friday or Sunday if this isn't really your cup of tea. What I started out here doing was I had a pencil sketch that I scanned and brought into the computer, and then I brought it into a program called Adobe Illustrator, and that's wherever I can do my line work and all my coloring. And right now I'm doing the coloring, and this is where things start to get interesting. I can kind of tell if I'm on the right track. While I'm doing this, I'm looking at Ed Roth illustrations to get an idea of the kind of colors that he picks and his style. So I'm really trying to focus on little characteristics that he puts into his drawings. That's why, although this is a wild horse Mustang creature, it has sharp, pointy teeth, because a lot of his characters that he designs have sharp, pointy teeth. They also have a lot of arm hair, armpit hair, and sort of grit, like stubble, which is what I'm working on here. This thing is really coming together. I'm really happy with the way it turned out. Right now you can see the Mustang character is a darker blue, and when I change it to the lighter blue here soon, it really pops. And I did that so that all of those little sort of stubble dots that I put in there and the arm hairs and stuff can pop out better. Whenever I do that, it really brings this thing to life, and I think at this point it screams Ed Roth. So I was really happy with it at this point. And as far as the car goes, I actually used the Hot Wheels that Daniel sent me several weeks back as a reference. So I just held it basically at that angle for my pencil sketch and drew it out, and it worked out really, really well. So I was really happy with it. Ed Roth he has an illustration named, I believe it's the Mighty Mustang, which I looked at and sort of laid this out very much like that. And I don't know, I just had fun with this whole thing. It was a lot of fun. Another thing you'll see in a lot of Ed Roth photos is there's a lot of movement. So I went in and thickened those movement lines that sort of show motion, and that really brought this thing to life. And then once I finished up over there, I brought it into Photoshop and dropped it in, and there I already had my type laid out, which is, I'm calling this Mustang Madness. And of course I have the new Grease Rookie Garage logo at the bottom. So I am taking this shirt design and I am gonna make it available on the Grease Rookie Garage page on Teespring, and that link will be in the description. So there you have it. We got her done, and I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It actually turned out better than I expected. It really screams to me Big Daddy Roth. So if you guys are interested, you like that design, you can get that shirt. It's available at the Grease Rookie Garage store. The link is in the description. So until the next episode, guys, when we will be back to working on the Iron 6, you guys take care. Thanks for watching.